This is a multi-tool of a favourite brand. The question is, can you build a PC with one of these multi-tools? Let's get started and see. This is going to be my workplace today. I'm going to clear off this table, put a towel down, and that's where I'm going to build my PC. Bag of screws here and cable ties. My first thing is to install the power supply. Looks like this is the odd hole, so the power supply should mount up just like this. See if any screws came in its box. Yes. I guess the next thing to consider putting in is the motherboard. The stickers. That's a very nice looking motherboard. Got 4 RAM slots, built-in Wi-Fi. We're not in the European Union, so that doesn't matter. Got a bit of a quick start guide here. Maybe first let's see if we can mount this into the caps. Looks like all the standoffs have been placed exactly where they need to be. 1, 2, 3. None in the middle. 4, 5, 6, 7. And they all line up almost perfectly. So I noticed 2 of these standoffs actually have a little dowel on them. I need to make sure that they line up with the motherboard. And it appears that it will line up just fine if I get it in position correctly. System fan 1 is right over here, and I did rotate that fan before. Doesn't really feel great having that wire coming across so tightly. I do think if I was able to rotate the fan back around, it might be better, so I'm going to try that out now. That's definitely a lot better. Next thing I'm going to do is install the hard drive, which goes under this cover here. It's not really a hard drive anymore, it's a M2 drive. There's no disk. Some cooling paste system there, and you can see there's possibility for 2 different size drives to be connected. Okay, looks like it's time to do the processor. I've got this cooler that was supplied with the processor. And I've also got a box over here called a deep cool. Some serious stuff here. Okay, so that goes on the back. This part always makes me a bit nervous. It just seems too easy to stuff it up. There's a good chance whichever way I choose to put these on, I'm going to have to take it off again because I'll have inadvertently got it on the wrong way. So I'm just going to take a guess. So there is no way that Leatherman is getting down into there to do those screws up. So I think the thought of can you build a PC with a Leatherman, I think we may have proven to be false. Snap on to the rescue here. Clever idea, these guys putting springs on the screws so you can't over tighten them. CPU installed and the cooling fan. And now finding the cable for the cooling fan and where it connects to the motherboard. Also, there's a LED connection on there. Not really that fussed by having LEDs on my system. I'm most interested in is keeping it cool. So I'm just going to do a visual check. Down here. Okay. There's a cooling fan here and a cooling fan here. Then there's a RGB. I guess that output is for connecting LED strips. What the hell? I'm going to put it on. Can always be taken off again later. I guess the next thing is some RAM. I guess the next thing to install will be some GPU. So this is the replacement for a Quadro graphics card now, the A series. Looks a little underwhelming compared to a gaming graphics card, but I'm not building a gaming computer, so I'm hoping this is going to do the goods. Can't say I'm a huge fan of this layout, but does enable you to attach 4 monitors to this baby, so I guess that's a compromise worth having, perhaps. I'm just going to go right in there. I'm going to need to take 2 blades out to fit this graphics card. That's clearly been designed for a low profile case. Not really the optimal solution here, having nothing there to support it. Okay, may need to swap this plate out. That's what I've done wrong. Got to press record when I was pulling this plate off. But, it's alright, I've remembered now before putting it back, so. Now that looks a lot better. There we have it, all the pieces are mounted up now. I guess it's time to start wiring everything. feel like smaller hands would be an advantage right now. Overall, I hate to complain. It's important to be happy with what you're given. Can you build a whole PC with a well-known brand of multi-tool? I think the answer to that question is almost. I almost was able to use this tool to build the entire PC. I did have to reach for another favourite brand of mine to save the day with one extra deep screw access. This video was possible because of Al Networking, who provided me with the PC parts required for this build. If you're looking to build a PC, check them out. Delivered right to my door. There's a link in the fields below to Al Networking's website. Until next time, see you later.